Alright, so this week's YouTube problem asks us to modify this chart by giving each bar a different color depending on its height. So it wants us to paint any bar that's 200 or more with red, bars between 100 and 200 yellow, and anything below 100 is green. So here's the original code we did in class, and here is the modification. So if A in this list is less than 100, Tessa's fill color will be green. Else if her A in this list is between 100 and 200, then her fill color will be yellow. Otherwise, it'll be red. So let's run this. And there we go. Everything under 100 is green. Everything between 100 and 200 is yellow. And everything else is red.